We're gonna start it off. We got pulls, we got pull-ups. So we're gonna do behind the neck and traditional. Second move, we're gonna do dips. Regular dips. You can move a little, you can come a little bit forward. You get that bottom of that chest, that's cool. And we're gonna hit them traps. I mean, not them traps, them front delts and them triceps. Okay? Then we're gonna come over underneath and get the vertical joints. I mean the horizontal, I don't know what's with me today. With the horizontal, we gotta get the upper back. So we're gonna do some Australian pulls. Then you can't even know, we can't forget the legs. Can't forget the legs. We're gonna do the famous, the world famous. I made it world famous. The back lunge or reverse lunge into the squats. I love those. We're gonna get full body, full body. We hitting the glutes, we hitting the quads, hamstrings, everything. All right, so we're gonna start it off, and in between all the exercises, what I want you to do is go ahead and get at least about a minute, minute and a half, and then run again. Our goal is to hit about 1,000 reps, okay? About 1,000 of them. That means that's 20 sets. We're gonna do 8, 10 dips, 10 Australians, and then going to do the reverse lunge to the squat. We're going to do 12 of them, okay? Make sense? Give me that salute. Let's go ahead and start it up. So on the pull-ups, you should be able to see me way over here. Yeah, they already see me. So on the pull-ups, we're going to do is thumbs over. Thumbs over on the pull-ups. So thumbs over, and we're pulling straight to the chest. And the bar doesn't have to hit the chest. You don't have to, but you want to be able to push towards it, okay? Don't try to go to a point where you're trying to get your neck over the bar. We're here to pull with our back, okay? So we're trying to get these lats. We look okay? Like, oh yeah, not this far. Yeah, that's why I'm right here. All right, so let's go ahead and get it. We're pulling straight with it, and then we're going, once you get the forward front, then you're going to go to the back side, boom, behind the neck. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Hey, see, behind the neck pulls, say it's not safe. I don't really care what people got to say. It helps to build that width of them shoulders. It gets those real delts, it gets those traps, it gets them rhomboids. All right, then 10 dips. Too tall, that's cool. Bend the knees, pushing right through. Whole point is to push with that chest is the main thing. Push with that chest. Nice and smooth. Then you go down to the Australian. These are really good for beginners when they're doing pull-ups. And ultimately, as you get good pull-up, you still want to stay with them because it's going to hit that upper back, get that back thickness. You're going to try to focus more on those traps, them rhomboids, them real delts, upper back. All right, coming down, lay as flat as you can. We're laying flat. And you're pulling towards the upper part of your chest. Pull. Make sure them elbows are staying out. Big stretch at the bottom, pulling. Let's get 3 more. So very good for the width and the thickness of your back. Now when it comes to the lunges, we do reverse lunge into the squat. So when it's breaking down, you see you're getting 3 reps in between it. So that means you're doing 4. That's what equals to 12. So we're going back, squat. So that's 3, right? You do it 4 times. Easy math. 3 times 4 is 12 of them. Back, pushing through them hamstrings. Big push. Back, squat. We're good. Back. It's the last one. And then look good. That's 1 set. You're going to do 1.5 minutes. Hit that like button for me. Oh, you want some more water? You already got water, crazy man. Hit that like. Won't be able to answer a lot of questions because we live right now. But if we do see a super chat, we'll go ahead and answer it. Hit that like for me. How many people we got in the middle this time? This is a little bit different because it's a landscape, so it's not the traditional. It's the sun. You had it flipped over, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Make sure you're still moving in between each set. Most time, if you're not too tired, you want to be able to keep moving in between each set. I mean, just keep on walking, stretch a little bit. I like to keep moving, keep everything moving.
One of your subscribers asked what city are you in?
We in Texas, man.
They said I'm in San Antonio.
Shout out to San Antonio, man. We don't disclose where we were from, but we in Texas. How many people watching? They say on there? I had to compare.
6.
Only 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not, what's the name? It's all good. Hit that like. All right. So now we got set 2. Set 2. Set 2. Set 2. Hit that like button. Stay with the pulls. Thumb over. This is a shorter pull-up bar today. So if you can't have your legs all the way straight, that's cool. But try to get them as straight as you can, or go to the highest pull-up bar as you can. We tried another new location, so we just do what we got to do. We don't like to stay in the same spot all the time. We like to switch it up. It's okay. So you're gonna pull towards that chest, thumbs over, and you're creating that minor muscle connection that you're pulling with these lats. Pull. Boom. 2, 3, 4. After those 4, we do the behind the neck 4. Now, with the behind the neck pull-ups, you don't have to worry about going and hitting the bar on your neck. No, you get to a point where you have that 90 degrees. Once you feel like that 90 degrees, that's pretty good, because you want to keep that pressure on them real delts and them traps. Oh. Nice smooth 10. I said today we worrying about the form and the minor muscle connection. With my diffs today, I'm not concerned about locking all the way at the top when it comes to the diffs today, because we want to focus on the chest. Because I'm here, I just want to come about a little bit lower than 90 degrees, and I'm boom, locked in right here. Not all the way locked, because I want to keep the pressure around this chest, okay? Let's get these real delts. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Make sure you push it through your heels when it comes to these reverse lunges. That's 1. Push through those heels. 2, let's get 2 more. 1 more. Look good. 2 sets down. Feeling good, feeling good. I'm hot already. She hot.
54.
That's good. Now we see the comparison. We go live. Yeah, because this is technically not mobile no more. So the ones that usually go vertical, they go on the shorts.
Okay, got you.
That's why we get more active, because everybody on shorts. This one is like regular live.
But can't you use the live from the other one? Put it on the other channel? Since it's vertical?
What you mean?
You are live on that one.
Right.
Can't you take that footage and put it on that channel?
Take the one at the bottom, put it on that one.
For shorts.
I'll only use the top one for shorts.
Okay.
Yeah, what you mean? Because the other one long ways? No, you know, because I always record. We got 20 seconds. You know, I always record long ways and I cut it up.
Okay.
They're just doing long ways horizontal with the iPhone.
Okay.
Hit that like, man, y'all coming through. Hit that like. We're going to roll again. We got set 3. Set 3, set 3. Hit that like button. All right. We got set 3. So what we're gonna do is, you're just coming through, we got 4 different exercises. Okay? 2 of them are kind of like a superset. So on the first one, we got pulls. I like to do the pull-ups on calisthenics because it's the bread and butter. We already know it's the bread and butter. Very heavy compound movement. So we get that one out so we can focus a lot on these lats, get that mind muscle connection. So it all it does is snowball to the next ones when it comes, next exercises when it comes to the calisthenics workout. So we're doing a superset. We're gonna stay on the bar. We're doing traditional pulls, pulling towards our chest. When you're doing a pull-up, you don't have to hit the bar with your chest, but I want you to just envision you pulling towards it. Once you get that good squeeze on them lats, let it go. Big squeeze, let it go. After you do 4 of them, we're going to do behind the neck. What it's going to do is going to hit them rear delts, them rhomboids, and them traps, okay? So we're getting both sides of it. Thumbs over, and we pulling. Boom. Oh, big squeeze. 4, had to get a 4, behind the neck. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. And we're doing chest dips. We're not really focusing too much on the triceps. They'll get hit, but we're trying to focus on our chest today. So we're not locking out at top. Lean forward, push it with your chest. Nice and smooth. Hey, see, you try to bring them knees up. That's just gonna force more pressure on your chest. He gets tired. All right. Now we got rear delts. Australian rows. We'll get his back thickness. That's one of the lagging parts that I have. Is back thickness, mainly when it comes to the rear delts. So I try, well, at least 90% of my workouts when I'm doing either full body or doing upper body, is getting those rear delts. Hit them over and over and over again. In the same way, when I'm doing lower body or full body, I usually like to do a lot of calf work. Calves on there, you know? Because this is one of the 2 hardest most, I think. For the upper body, it has to be the rear delts. You know, lower body is those calves. They're hard to grow. So you got to put a lot of pressure on them. All right? Australian pulls. Leg straight. Pull it towards the upper chest. The more you go upper chest, more for rear delts. Those are similarly doing like rope face pulls. The same way you're doing rope face pulls, same way I do my Australian pulls. Now, first lunges into the squat. So one, we're doing 4 of them. Good. One more. Gotta get these legs, man. Gotta get legs. 3 sets down.